Hello, welcome to the Decorating Director's Mass Tool tutorial. This Mass Tool is intended to help authors avoid having to write HTML for Decorating Director's team orders. Please check the video description below for the link to this tool. To get started, you'll want to type your unique title into the first box. This will be formatted as an H1 header and should contain the main keyword provided with the order. Keep in mind that these orders follow a frequently asked questions format. These orders require 4 to 5 subheadings and accompanying paragraphs. Each subheading should be a frequently asked question. Type your question subheadings in the box marked Subheading. The questions should be sorted in order of relevance. Choose questions you would want to have answered as a potential buyer. Each section should have one subheading question, one answer paragraph, and an optional bullet list. Please enter your bullet list items, when desired, into the boxes marked Optional List. Each bullet list box translates into a single bullet point in your list. When your content is completely written, you'll find text at the bottom of the Mass Tool in the box labeled Compilation. This compilation is your completed order with all necessary HTML. Please select all the text in this box. You can do this by clicking inside the box and pressing Ctrl-A on Windows and Linux, or Command-A on a Mac. Then, paste the text into the TextBroker order submission page. Optionally, to ensure proper spelling and grammar, you can write the entire order in Microsoft Word or another checker program and paste the content piece by piece into the Mass Tool. This is a good way to ensure your work is saved if you lose internet connectivity or experience a browser-related error. Here are a few things to keep in mind when writing these orders. Do not use abbreviations for units of measurement such as length. Write out all units. Do not use words like cheap to indicate low value. Do not talk negatively about products. Use clear, concise titles. Avoid using marketing language and making any sort of guarantees. Do not use fluff. Each sentence should contribute to useful information in the order. If you have any questions, please email manageclients@textbroker.com. Thanks for watching.